Okay, on my count. 3, 2,
1, go.
What if I told you that every time you bowl, there's a secret amusement park that is running behind the lanes? The bowling pin setter is basically a theme park, but just for pins. If you are new to NATEch of Cebu, just hit the subscribe button for free. The ball return is like a roller coaster chain lift.
Oh, wir drehen schon.
Ja, weil du dick bist.
Ich bin dick.
Ja.
Deswegen schwenke ich jetzt nach unten. Hui.
Oh Gott.
It scoops up your ball from the pit and sends it right back to you, ready for another ride.
Woohoo!
Pins waiting for their turn. They hop on the Ferris wheel, the pin elevator that carries them up to the top of the machine. At the top, there's a carousel ride. The distributor spins around, dropping each pin into its special spot, just like riders getting off at different stations. Next up, the drop tower. The deck table lowers down dramatically onto the lane, placing the pins with perfect precision. And here comes the swinging ship ride, the sweep arm that swings across the lane, clearing away fallen pins in one smooth motion. Of course, every theme park needs a control tower. Sensors and timers run the whole show, making sure pins are lifted, placed, and cleared at just the right moment. So, next time you're at the bowling alley, remember, you're not just knocking down pins. You're playing in a hidden theme park where pins ride roller coasters, carousels, and drop towers.